This is Tailgate Talk, presented by Tarpon Blue.
Let's take a ride. In this series, we're going to show you everything Texas and its surrounding southern states has to offer, right here from our very own tailgate.
We'll take you from life on the farm and the ranch to the big city lights. This is Tailgate Talk. Come along for the ride.
Welcome back to the Tarpon Blue Kitchen. I'm Darla Wallace.
And I'm Katie Abermite.
Today we're here to celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Katie, show us what kind of cocktail you have today.
All right, so today, Darla, we're going to make a skinny watermelon jalapeno margarita. Sounds a little sweet and spicy, right?
Sounds pretty good.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we've already salted our glasses and I put ice in them. So we're going to go ahead and make both of our cocktails in this big cup here.
Okay.
I've got some silver tequila, so I'm going to open that up. And we're going to pour a couple shots, one for each of us, right?
Okay.
With the heavy pour.
It is a heavy pour.
Okay. And then, oh, it smells good. Like tequila.
It smells like tequila.
Then we're going to take some, well, we're going to do the limes first. I don't know if there's really science to it, but everything I read said do the tequila, then the lime juice.
Okay.
So we're going to squeeze a couple of limes in there. Maybe one more, since we went with the heavy pour.
Yeah. For two.
For two. Okay, and then we're gonna take a couple shots of the watermelon juice, which we just got Tropicana Watermelon Breeze. You're supposed to put 2. I'm gonna go ahead and just put 3.
I think you're supposed to put 2 per drink, right?
It
So
was the
4
same
total?
amount, equal parts.
Oh, okay.
Equal parts tequila and watermelon juice.
Gotcha.
But we're gonna go a little extra. Then I have some agave syrup, and we're gonna put a tablespoon per drink, so we'll put 2.
Super sweet.
Would you mind cutting up that jalapeno while I
Sure.
stir this and put this in the glass? We'll have that for some garnish, and we just probably need about 4 slices.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. All right, and then we're gonna take the jalapeno and put 1 slice in each drink. And then we're going to put 1 of the slices on the rim, and we're gonna garnish with a slice of watermelon as well.
Oh, so we need one of these on there. Okay.
Yes, please.
Spicy.
Oops. Well, you get some watermelon in yours.
That's all right.
All right. And then I think we taste test it next.
Okay, let's do it.
Sweet and spicy.
That is actually really good.
And a little salty with all the salt on the rim. All right. What are you going to make for us, darling?
Okay. Today I'm going to be making mango pico de gallo.
Ooh, sounds delicious.
We tried to make it a little bit easier, or a lot easier, so we cut everything up ahead of time. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and first we're going to put the chopped tomatoes in here.
Those are just Roma tomatoes?
Yeah, just a Roma tomato. I mean, you can use any kind you want, but that's what we chose today. Okay, and then onion. Don't remember the exact amount. I think it was like maybe a half cup. Something like that. And this is 2 jalapenos. And now we're going to put a little bit of cilantro. Not too much, just a little bit. And next we're going to put all the mangoes in. Okay,
You gotta get them all.
gotta get them
Do you
all.
love mango, Darla? I like mango.
do. I like mango a lot. It's very good. Am I dropping some over here?
Just a little bit.
So, and then we just stir it up. This is going to be
looks
really,
really pretty.
really good. Very tasty. Okay, so now
Let's squeeze a lime on it. All right, let's try it out.
yeah.
That tastes like pretty good pico to me.
Very refreshing. Like
It goes
it.
great with our cocktail. Cheers.
Cheers.
We'll see y'all next time on Tailgate Talk.
Thanks for tuning in today, and thank you to our guests for sharing their story.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next time on Tailgate Talk.
We'll tell you things you might not know.